So, Mr. Chair, alam niyo po ba kung ilan ang arrested sa mga drug operations at how much ang drug, no, na
No.
na-seize nung time na yan?
Ma'am, I was not notified in advance that I have to make an accounting for the arrested persons in Davao City. For
Mr.
a
Chair,
resource
sabi
person.
niyo yung accomplishment report sa inyo yan.
Accomplishment, yes. Accomplishment is another thing. But is it to ask for the number of arrests or killings, that would be a stupid question.
Mr. Chair, sinabi po ninyo na aakuin nyo lahat. E di syempre may accounting din kayo, Mr. Chair. At kabisado nyo, kahit nga kabisado ninyo kung ilan ang hinuli, ilan ang pinatay, ilan. Dapat may accounting kayo, Mr. Chair. And I believe, Mr. Chair, noong 2017, correct me if I'm wrong, may President's Accomplishment Report kayo,
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Chair.
Tanungin kita, where were you the other day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon?
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Ano sinabi ko?
Yes,